Hello everyone. I thought I just want to give it a break for myself from Blender, from internet, from computer. But my friend said want to hear from me in English. So here I am again. So let's start. Today I'm going to it's same, but I did it only in Tibetan. So this time I'm gonna do it in English and how to on Blender make the cloth simulation. And then let's start. I'm using it Blender 2.83 and see. It's a little bit feel stuffy today. Probably just too much spending on it. But I do love it. Anywho, so whatever I click on, any mouse or keyboard shows up here. And then change the light into sun here. Click on this light and change it sun light, and it's really high level. So I gotta go back to 2 point something. And then that's it. Alright, leave this one here just for the cloth cutting in any cube or stuff. Anywho, now I'm gonna add a plane. Shift A, add a plane, and make it bigger and go up. So I love animation. I always watching. It's my seriously all the English learn from in animation. This is all of it. TV shows, animations, all of it. Love it. Probably that's why I'm doing this. Anyhow, not probably. That's why I'm doing this. Yeah, and love it. Alright, then go to edit mode and left click on mouse and make the whatever a vertex group, or call it face, or call it age. Make it a lot of it so that we make it smoother, the cloth. Then another one and go more a little bit, and then that's it. Go back to the object mode and then where won't always have here, so there. And this one is the cloth. Click on cloth, and this one for the cutting cloth. So click on collision. So cuts it, and then let's start. Run. No. Weird. It's went through. Anywho, why? It's supposed to be not like that. This goes way down. Let's finish it. Let it finish. So next time, easier. Usually I don't let it go too far. A lame job. So okay, there you go. Faster. Anywho, why? Oh, I didn't. I thought I clicked on collision. Did. Then what's going on? Make it thicker or fatter or something. Flat. Subtraction. And thickness. Probably make it thickness better. And cuts it. or any. You make water, you can make this one kind of like that. Right now, almost there. So go back again. So make more thicker. Damping, randomness, fraction, randoms, and thickness up to alright up. No, I'm not sure about that one. Let's go. Okay, now it's worked out, and it's like that. So it's score. So we're gonna make this one cross, and go back, and then click on there, plan, and go edit mode, and T, I guess. Make cross T something. Yeah, is it? Control T. Oh, there you go. So it comes cross like this. Before was square, so square. Then make it smooth, and then put some color on the cloth. Color. Seriously, I always go with green because I love it. Pink one, no. Blue, yeah, go with the blue. Alright, let's start. Oh no, I'm not here. I don't want to be here. This one shows the color of it. Not that much shiny, but I want to have the glossy looking. So here. Uh-oh, where am I? Is this one the glossy looking? I think it's tasers. Oh, that one's the not it. Oh, this one. It's terrific. Alright, check out. Yeah, well, that's good. But the cube is not so really works for the clock, so maybe I need to change it. Doesn't matter. Anyhow, that's it. It's easy peasy. And it's great. If you designing some clothing, clothes, all you need is download free model, then make some clothing for that one, then that's it, like that. Anyhow, so oh yeah, I'm gonna change this one to that one and make it smooth. And let's go again. Ouch. Huh? Oh yeah. My bad. I should have done that. I'll use this one for the thick, this one, out thick, yes. In thick is the other one. Side, don't need it. There you go. Pretty. Seriously, love it. Love all the tools. Okay, and then add another plan, and then down, change color to where? Oh yeah, there. Red or something. Let's not that one. Let's go again. Yeah. No. Sorry. I'm gonna go back to there. Huh? Yeah, it is not that. I'll make that one collision 2 and thick. And let it go. Yeah, that's it. It's the cloth simulations or the clothing making tool on cloth. Up. Well, that's it. And see you all next time. And have a great day.